God save our gracious Queen. Long live our noble Queen. Tom smells like shit. Do you want burger and chips? That was obviously the Marshal's lunch. Did you leave your lunch over there?
Oh yeah, you just
What size BBs do you have in that again?
6mm. Not run 8mm. I mean, I ranged shit to Gilly that I shot 3 times, didn't call it.
Yeah.
I went up to him, I've taken his wristband thing, and he said, I didn't feel anything. Gaz obviously got involved.
Yeah.
And he takes his ghillie suit off, he's got a tracksuit underneath, like a thick tracksuit. And I'm like, that's why you're not calling it. And even Gaz went, yeah, but you, well,
Yeah.
let's see if you can feel it.
Yeah, stop that.
It's a CQB field.
Oh, that's an idea.
Why are we going this way?
I don't know, I was just following the Marshal.
Following him.
CQB mode activated. I really need a shit.
Yeah, just find a bush.
I'm not having a shit during a fucking airsoft game.
Plenty of leaves around to walk.
I just farted, it fucking stinks. I used my own gas grenade. I haven't got the range. There's a guy on the right down there. Careful, you're gonna piss him off. Oh, we got tangos at the box. Tangos at the gas. What the fuck are you throwing that?
Thunder flash. Behind the 6-wheeler.
There's no one there.
Over there? What is that? Ed, is that behind? Medic! Medic! I am hitting! Hey, come in. Hey, hard boy!
Hip!
Fucking hell. You got medics.
If you pull us, we've got medics.
Well, you can pull me, I've got a medic bag. I don't know with the start for.
Have the kids just run off? Medic!
Medic!
No, Tom can clutch it.
Yeah, come on, Tom, 1v5. Come on.
Oh, he shot me right in the fucking weenus.
I'm literally shooting him in the arse.
Have you lost something?
Yeah, there were 2 pins holding my gun together. They both fell off. So
How many is there? 2?
yeah, 2 like really small pins.
Are they brass? Like are they shiny?
Yeah, they're shiny. I can't see them here.
Been here the entire time you've been
Can I?
by the 6-wheeler.
Thank you.
You get him?
Yeah.
Cool. Hi. Hi. Can you turn your radio on? Yeah. I've been in it the entire time. Some fat fucker that came in, ran here, 4 or 2 really small kids like this high kids.
What?
So I shot him 3 times in the face.
Point down there, this 6-wheeler is.
Don't mess it up. Throw it far.
I swear if you mess up again.
Get it, Mag. No. 12 o'clock, I don't know. Other side of the road, 12 o'clock. Hit! Medic.
In the taxi.
Oh.
In the taxi. Yeah, in it. In the taxi.
Fucking hell.
Taxi dead. One more at the taxi.
Got him.
He's dead. Guy ran off the dead.
He just shut the door on the taxi whilst he was fucking dead. Back of the taxi's dead. I need a mag canner. Fuck this. Back of the six-wheeler. You got med bounds. Wrong one.
I don't know. He's right.
He's out. No, he's not. He's not. He's shooting back.
Oh, that guy, I mean, the one walking away. Not the one behind the thing. Who's that? Whereabouts? Hey, is that the guy you're shooting?
But yeah, back of the.
Yeah, he's out.
He's out. Back of the six-wheeler's out.
One pushing to the right.
He's out. Where's the fucking... One of the enemies is shooting the box and I keep changing it back. What are you shooting?
I don't know if this one. I can't take a baby.
Where's Tom? Where's Tom?
Yeah, if you can clear the area, so I'm about to go and drag pack.
Can you give... Okay, go on, go on, go on, go on, go. Get ready, I'm going to pull you that way.
Behind the
Six-wheeler?
Yep. The guy's still alive back there, brother.
Is he?
Multicam helmet, blue.
There's
Front of the six-wheeler.
Front?
Yep. They're coming from the plane. Tons of them. Ain't coming shit.
Is there still someone down the side? I see you! Back of the six-wheeler, Keanu, be careful. Back of the six-wheeler still. Keanu, can you just shoot at the back of the six-wheeler? I'm going to need him. Back of the six-wheeler, right-hand side, right-hand side. Go on, carry on, carry on. Boom! No kill. Oh, fuck. Careful, Ken, they're in the bushes somewhere. He's got a medic band. If someone drags him, I'm gonna push to the green one.
we have like 2 oranges, got past us on the left.
On the left.
There's one up in this way, green.
On green.
Oh, come on, buddy.
Oh, orange there, straight.
Straight where?
Running left to right.
Hit! No. Hit! I can take over now.
Sorry, I'm making noise.
No, it's right.
Oh, everyone's shouting at each other. What did he say?
Dunno. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not see you at all. Oh my God.
Game over!
There you go. That's it.